Is 4,567 more than 4,657? It's a simple question, but the answer holds a secret power. Being able to compare numbers isn't just for math class, it's for comparing prices at a shop, scores in a game, or even the heights of mountains. It's a skill, and today we're going to master it. There's a simple, powerful strategy called the left to right rule. It's the only tool you'll need. When you're staring down two big numbers, don't get intimidated. Just start from the very first digit on the left, the thousands column. That digit holds the most power. If those first digits are the same, you just move one step to the right, to the hundreds. You keep moving right until you find a difference. The number with the bigger digit at that point is the winner. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about the symbols. You've seen them: greater than, less than, and equal to. The easiest way to remember them is to imagine a very hungry alligator. This alligator is greedy. It always wants to eat the biggest snack, so its mouth will always be open towards the larger number. If you have 5,000 and 2,000, the alligator's mouth opens wide to eat the 5,000. So we write 5,000, the open mouth symbol, then 2,000. The small point always faces the small number. Let's solve that first puzzle. 4,567 versus 4,657. Using the left to right rule, we start with the thousands column. Both numbers have a 4. It's a tie, so we move one step to the right, to the hundreds. Here, we find our difference. The first number has a 5, but the second has a 6. Since 6 is bigger than 5, the number with 6 hundreds is the larger number. So 4,567 is less than 4,657. The alligator's mouth opens towards 4,657, and the small point faces 4,567. What about when you have a whole group of numbers to sort? Let's try ordering these from smallest to largest: 3,420, 3,240, 4,000, and 3,425. First, scan for the king. The number 4,000 starts with a 4 in the thousands place. All the others start with a 3, so 4,000 is the biggest. We'll put that one at the end of the line. Now we compare the three numbers that start with 3. We use the left to right rule again. They all have a 3, so we move to the hundreds. We see a 4, a 2, and another 4. The number with 2 hundreds, 3,240, must be the smallest of the group. It goes first. Now we have a final showdown: 3,420 versus 3,425. The thousands are the same. The hundreds are the same. The tens are the same. It all comes down to the ones place. 0 versus 5. Since 0 is smaller than 5, 3,420 comes first. And there's our final order: 3,240, then 3,420, then 3,425, and finally, our king, 4,000. Remember these key ideas. Always start from the left. The thousands column carries the most weight. A 4-digit number is always bigger than a 3-digit number, no matter what. And never forget the hungry alligator. This isn't just about getting the right answer. Ordering numbers helps us organize data and make better decisions. It's about seeing the world more clearly, finding the patterns, and understanding the value in everything around you.